it's been a minute, but we need to do another test. We've done a power test for towing capacity. We've done a little bit of a speed test, and today we are out here in a nice location. We're gonna do some cornering because we need to check how good the traction is on this thing. You can kind of see I got a little bit here, a little bit of mud, but these knobs, how good are they? So we're gonna check that out. And we're gonna see if this thing can actually power through off-road. It's its first off-road test. That's what we're doing today. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Climbing power, nice. Got it, keep going. Big kit on it. It's still going, but it struggles. Like I said, if you're on the flat, it's fine. As soon as you put someone who's more than maybe 70 pounds, it really struggles to go up some hills. So flat dirt trails, this thing would be a rock star. Anything other than that, it's gonna struggle. Okay, so we wanted to see how well it did in the snow / mud. Did pretty good. As you can see right here, it's doing pretty darn good. We did warm the motor up a little bit. We're just playing with it out here so far in the mud and the dirt. So it doesn't climb very well, but it certainly is fun to play going downhill. This is a fun toy, worth it. I think we paid $600 and something for it. Get yourself one, have a blast, play in the snow, run your sister over. Worth it.